You know that a lot of companies are actually moving their traditional servers to the computing. Enterprises are allowing employees to work from home, and employees are using their unsecured Wi-Fi devices, which is increasing the risk. Regulatory compliance is mandatory for all the organization, and growing cyber threat is the major cybersecurity challenge. On top of that, we also have a COVID-19. However, responding to the COVID-19 remains the biggest challenge for most of the organization in the world. And the result of the pandemic is accelerating the digitization of the process and remote workplace, expansion of the cloud computing in most of the organization. The digital transformation is happening across the sector, from education, healthcare, lifestyle and manufacturing, finally retail as well. All sectors are prone to the cybersecurity attacks, and organizations are looking for implementing the defenses to get secure from data breaches. Now everything is connected to the internet, right from cars, healthcare devices, mobile phones, home appliances, IoT device, which you cannot ignore, and all these devices contain private information of the device owners, which can be used for the malicious purpose. Now, everything is connected to the internet, from cars, healthcare devices, mobile phone, home appliances, and IoT devices. All these devices contain the private information of device owners, which can be used for the malicious purpose. Let's take one example. There is a healthcare device, which is a cardiac device, helpful for reducing the visit to the hospitals, and also it will help you to understand your heart functioning, and doctor can monitor the patient in real time. This cardiac device is exposed to the internet, and if any attacker gain access to this device, then attacker may alter the device behavior to disturb or interfere with the patient follow-up, which may be a life-threatening. Although there is no proof someone got access to this device, or this is actually, I would say, one of the risks associated with the healthcare device if someone gets access to the device. As you know, there is a rise of data, and the world has also seen severe increase in the number of cyber attacks, such as ransomware, and data breaches are happening in the organization. To keep check on such cyber attacks, organization needs to implement the artificial intelligence solutions, zero-day research programs, and needs to pen test the digital assets. On top of that, they also need to handle the security incidents using security operation centers for monitoring the incidents, I would say. Overall, now leader needs to understand, and leader must embrace the modern cybersecurity practices, such as zero trust network access technology begins to replace the traditional VPNs. Network security transformed from the focus on the LAN-based appliances models to the secure access service age. Now the privacy is becoming the discipline of its own. AI creates new responsibility for protecting the digital business and initiatives. Considering all these new practices, modern practices, I would say, and the cybersecurity challenges, now the cybersecurity is a hot topic of the discussion in the board of meeting, and security is going to be a part of daily life, and the organization needs a cybersecurity team to solve upcoming and never-ending challenges.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.